Hello students, today we will study class 4th English grammar chapter 6 the adjective describing word. First of all, we do a simple revision of noun pronoun. Okay, so let's revise the definition of noun and pronoun. Noun is the name of anything. I repeat, noun is the name of anything or the name of any person, place, animal or thing is called noun. In the same way, pronoun, the word which are used in place of noun is called pronoun. We recall noun and pronoun. Okay? Those words which which tell something about noun or pronoun is called adjectives. Okay? It's called adjective. That means Ram. Suppose Ram is a boy. Okay, this is noun, and when we write second line about Ram, he is a student. Okay, it shows the pronoun. He shows the pronoun. And when we qualify, when we tell something about noun, a pronoun, that means Ram. यानी कि जब भी कुछ राम के बारे में हम कहेंगे, उसको डिस्क्राइब करेंगे क्वालिटी को, ही इज अ गुड स्टूडेंट. अगर हम ऐसे बोले ही इज अ गुड स्टूडेंट, ओके, तो गुड क्या होगा? एडजेक्टिव. ये क्वालिफाई करेगा, कुछ बताएगा आपको डिफरेंट प्रोनाउन के बारे में और नाउन के बारे में. दैट मीन्स इट इज एडजेक्टिव. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड द बुक. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. An elephant has a long trunk. Elephant is a huge animal. An elephant has big ears. An elephant is very strong. Here I underline the four words: long, huge, big and strong. These are color. These are red in color. It describes the quality of elephant. That means it is adjective. Okay. An adjective is a word that tells us something about a noun or a pronoun. That is about person, an animal, a thing or a place. Means एडजेक्टिव जो नाउन प्रोनाउन के बारे में आपको बताता है, समझाता है, या फिर वो चाहे पर्सन हो, एनिमल हो, थिंग हो या प्लेस हो, किसी के बारे में भी वो डिस्क्राइब करे, दैट इज एडजेक्टिव. ओके, नाउ कम टू इट्स काइंड. अब यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं. आई होप आप सब ये एग्जाम्पल खुद से भी रीड कर सकते हैं. हम काइंड्स पे आते हैं. काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. Adjective can be divided into the following kinds. First, adjective of quality. The adjective that describe the kind of quality of a person, animal, thing or place are adjective of quality. Adjective of quality क्या describe करेगा? किसी person, place, animal और thing की quality को और kind को, कि किस तरीके का है वो quality describe करेगा. For example, I read a funny story. Just I read a story is a simple sentence without adjective. And when we read, I read a funny story. Funny, that means it shows the quality of story. Okay, the second one is adjective of quantity. The adjective that describes the quantity of a thing or tell how much of a thing is meant is called adjective of quantity. Quantity, that means amount, मात्रा जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं. एडजेक्टिव जिसमें क्वांटिटी डिस्क्राइब की जाए कि हाउ मच इज समथिंग, मीन्स कोई चीज़ कितनी है, एक है, दो है, बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत कम है, या फिर सपोज बनाना है तो 1 डजन है, कितना है, ये डिस्क्राइब करेगा एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. क्लियर? For example, there is little water in the bucket. Little is adjective of quantity. She needs some help. Some shows adjective of quantity. Here are some more examples. Please read yourself. Another kind of adjective is adjective of number. The words that tell us about the number of persons or thing or show how many person or things are there are adjective of numbers. Means adjective of number आपको ये बताएगा कि कोई person, number of person or thing, कोई person या कोई चीज कितनी बार हुई है या कितने हैं, नंबर शो करेंगे. लाइक there are 7 days in a week. 7 is a number. That means adjective of number. January is the first month of the year. First. Many boys are absent because of rain. Many is adjective of number. Next one is demonstrative adjective, and I repeat, please read the given example yourself for your understanding. Demonstrative adjective, these adjectives point out which person or thing is means demonstrate करना यानी कि किसी को point करना कि which point out which person or thing is कौन किसका है ये चीज, ऐसा बताएंगे. लाइक दिस बॉय इज माई फ्रेंड. दिस बॉय इज माई फ्रेंड, ये लड़का, आप उसे पॉइंट कर रहे हो, डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहे हो, ये लड़का मेरा दोस्त है. दैट डॉग इज माई पेट, वो डॉग मेरा पेट है. आप उसे पॉइंट कर रहे हो, दैट मीन्स डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहे हो, चिन्हित कर रहे हो, निशान उसको दिखा रहे हो, निशान लगा रहे हो, बता रहे हो कि हाँ वो ही मेरा पेट है, या फिर समथिंग जो भी है डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहे हैं. ओके. And last is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective are used with nouns to as question. Interrogative adjective को noun के साथ यूज करते हैं as a question. That means what animal is this? Which fruit do you like the most? What vegetable is this? Whose book is this? Okay. So I explain all kind of adjective and with what is adjective. So please read the book carefully and see the video for better understanding. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.